It's that time of year again. We're coming up to the Christmas and then the New Year. And I get asked lots of questions. How do I make meatballs that are soft and springy and juicy? I use breadcrumbs. I'm using panko breadcrumbs. I find they work very, very well. I've minced the sage and some thyme. I'm using fresh here, but you can as easily use the dried version. Okay, it should be like this. Sticky, bouncy. So these are cranberries. These are going to counterpoint the savoriness of the meatball with some sweetness. In goes some of this magic elixir. Yeah, there you go. Ooh, the smell, it's incredible. Wow. So we're going to make roughly ping pong sized balls, meatballs. Now this is the secret. This is a secret to soft, springy meatballs. No pressure at all. Just rolling. The rolling technique. So it's self-explanatory. I'm melting some butter. Now we're going to gently put in the meatballs one by one. Now what we're after is we're just looking to seal the meatballs. So we're not looking to cook them thoroughly. Sealing them is all we're looking for, so that they don't fall apart in the next step. So they are maybe a half to a quarter cooked. So another interesting thing about Christmas recipes is that we often cook with alcohol. Again, even if you are teetotal, the aroma of alcohol, the umami that it adds, the gravitas that it adds to the meal is amazing. The party trick. Some brandy. There you go. I love that. Love it. Brandied meatballs, the relish way. Remember that secret weapon that I had earlier? This is the stock that was brewed for 24 hours. So we're going to pour this over. Ah, look at that. Love that. Love it, love it, love it. I'm going to add in some cranberries. Remember what we said about savory and sweet in Christmas? So some cranberries go in. So this is where the meatballs are being braised in this stock, and it's soaking up all that wonderful, wonderful aroma. The penultimate ingredient, the wine. It's been cooking down now for about 10 minutes and it looks great. You can smell the wine, you can smell the brandy, you can smell the sage, you can smell the thyme. Oh, this is heavenly. The meatballs, if you can see, soft, spongy.